Royal Wharf Clinic, we take great pride in providing exceptional aftercare. Our process includes a 1-week follow-up with the doctor after your hair transplant, followed by check-ins at 3 months and 6 months. During this period, patients have direct access to the doctor and can opt for additional treatments such as PRP, depending on the chosen package. We also offer our clients the option to purchase and use minoxidil after their treatment. Additionally, they can be prescribed and provided with finasteride if needed.
I was looking to go to Turkey, but then I saw an advertisement for Royal Wharf Clinic, and so I decided to pop in, and I liked the look of the clinic, the friendliness of the staff, and it made me feel positive to come here, and the aftercare being in London was a big thing that made me make my decision. My experience here was absolutely brilliant. Yes, I can't fault it. The staff have been absolutely good. Dr. Shaan has been wonderful to me, explained everything as we've gone through all the procedure and all the process. And yes, although it's a bit of a long day, it has been very well worth it. I'd highly recommend the Royal Wharf Clinic for anybody who is thinking to having this procedure